What would you do if you won the lottery?
I would pay off my debts and donate a portion to charity.
If you had the chance, would you learn a new language?
Yes, I would love to learn Japanese. Would you skydive from a plane?
Yes, I've always wanted to try skydiving for the adrenaline rush.
Would you like to have a barbecue today?
No, I would like to eat a pizza.
Wouldn't you go to work today?
Yes, I would. But I decided to take the day off.
Would you like to go abroad?
Yes, I would like to visit Egypt.
Would you like to go to the movies tonight?
Yes, I would. But I have a lot of work to finish.
Would you help me move to my new apartment this weekend?
Of course, I would be happy to help.
Would you prefer coffee or tea for breakfast?
I would prefer coffee. I can't live without caffeine.
Would your friend join us for dinner tonight?
Of course. She's been looking forward to it.
Would you like to go to the beach this weekend?
Yes, I would love it.
Would you like some dessert after dinner?
Yes, I would. A piece of chocolate cake sounds great.
Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. We are always happy to create new content for you.